Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Quotex affiliate program. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and here in the search bar, you need to just search for Quotex affiliate program. Now once you search for this query in the search bar, you will be able to find the first link, that is from the official website of Quotex. It is Quotex official affiliate program. So you need to tap on this option and you will be landed on this page. Now over here, in order to get access to the affiliate form, you will have to provide your email address and your password, and you need to log in into your account. If you don't have an account at Quotex, you will have to first of all sign up for it. For that, you need to tap on sign up and provide your email address and password again, and then you need to just sign up in your account. Now once you are in your Quotex account, you will see a different form there where you will have to provide your first name, your last name, your contact details, your address details, and the places where you are going to promote their affiliate program. So you will have to submit that form and wait for some time until you get the response from Quotex support team. They are going to actually provide the details within 3 to 5 days, and you will get the details via your email address that you have entered here while creating your account. So in that email, they will tell you whether you are approved for the affiliate program or being rejected. Now if you are approved for it, you just have to simply get your affiliate link from your account and you can start promoting it very easily. Now for any reason, if you are not able to find your affiliate account, if you have rejected from Quotex, you can just apply for it within 15 days. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.